Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Google Lens on your iPhone. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to head over to the App Store and then in the search bar search for Google Chrome. Once you search for it, you need to download your Google Chrome on your iPhone. You don't need a separate Google Lens app because it's already built in. Once it is installed, you need to go ahead and tap on Open to open up your Google Chrome and then sign in with your account. So once you sign in, you need to go ahead and simply look at the search bar, and then beside the search bar, you'll then be able to find a camera-like icon. Right over here, that's Google Lens. So you need to go ahead and tap onto it, tap on Allow, tap on Continue, and then you can now point your iPhone camera at anything you want. If you would like to identify a plant, animal, or product, just scan it. So let's go ahead and simply tap on this button. And just like that, Google will show you the exact same images available on the web. If you already have a photo, you need to go ahead and simply tap on this gallery-like icon and upload the image. And just like that, the Lens will analyze it for you. And that's it. That is how you can use Google Lens on your iPhone to search, translate, and explore the world around you. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.